Hello guys, let's learn today about the central angle theorem and the inscribed angle theorem. Alright, basically, if there is a circle having a center P, if this is a central angle, meaning lang yan is yung angle dito sa central angle na ito is just equal sa intercepted arc na nandito. Okay? Understood? Itong intercepted arc na ito, say this is point A and this is point B. Yung intercepted arc na yan, kung ilang degrees meron dito, ganun din yung measurement ng intercepted arc. Say if this is kanina 52 degrees, then this is also 52 degrees. But when you say an inscribed angle is just equal to the 1/2 of its intercepted arc. Okay, inscribed angle is just equal to 1/2 of its intercepted arc. Alright, so say for example, if you have an angle, you have an intercepted arc 52 degrees from an inscribed angle, then the measurement of its inscribed angle is just 1/2 of the intercepted arc, which is from here 52 degrees. Measurement of angle, intercepted arc AB. If it's 52 degrees, then the measurement of its inscribed angle is just equal to 1/2 of arc AB, which is equal to 26 degrees. Saktan? Okay.